Okay, this is the first review I do on my 2019 Ford Ranger STX 4x4. I just got the tires and rims on it. I went with the race line with the leveling kit, and it came out pretty sweet. We did have to remove the crash bars, front and back. It's a given, it has to be removed. But other than that, at 15,000 miles, I've had no issues whatsoever with the truck. And I did do some other upgrades. I went with the AFE Blade Runner pipes. The kit comes with upper and lower. Horsepower wise makes a huge difference. Even if you're not running a tune, just that replacement alone makes a huge difference. Since I was doing that, I went ahead and upsized on my snorkel here, also AFE. And I did do the, see if you can see it, the BDX tuner. I went with the 91 performance tune and the 91 towing tune. Haven't had any issues at all with it. The horsepower you get out of this thing once you tune it, phenomenal, unbelievable horsepower. Other thing I've added is I've added the lights, 20-inch light bar inside. That right there is actually from Amazon. Amazon sells you that 20-inch light with two of these guys right here, and it comes with the entire wiring kit for it. It's all a plug and play. I'll set the link on the bottom. Pay 45 bucks the most. I did get the I also ordered these guys from Amazon so I can mount those lights on it. I don't know what you guys are paying for them, but I seen the prices on them. It's ridiculous. Amazon, I got them for $75. I'll add the link for that as well. And we also went with, I added the lights inside the bed, which you can see right there. And these things really light everything up. I mean, it's unreal. Even now it's 6-7 o'clock, and you can see how much light it just gives here. Still cleaning up the wiring on that. Got it piled up right there. But I do got to trim, cut, and redo it. And we also added the fender flares, which adds a sweet little touch. Widens out that truck. Got the running boards for the wife. Inside, still working on it. Still stocking the inside, but I did already order the camouflage seat covers, front and back. And that costed a pretty penny to get the right ones, but totally worth it. Like I said, other than that, phenomenal horsepower on the truck with the Blade Runner pipes plus the tuner on it. I mean, right now we dynoed it, and out of this 2.3 stock 270 horsepower, 310 foot-pounds of torque, after I did everything and dynoed it, I am pushing 350 horsepower and 360 some odd foot-pounds of torque out of a 2.3 2019 Ford Ranger. I'd say that's pretty freaking worth it. The tuner itself with the tunes, 500 bucks. The pipes, everything else, I was a little under 400. I haven't done anything to the filter yet because, well, quite frankly, the only thing you need to add to it is just a decent K&N air filter or whatever aftermarket filter is out there. You don't have to go with the junk that they're selling. That'll run you $500-600, if not more. Just change the air filter to a good air filter. Save yourself the money. Other than that, that's it. I'm taking her out four-wheeling this weekend, and I'll do a video on that. See ya.